Well, hello again, everybody. I'm Bryan Diehl, and I'm welcoming you to Port Townsend, Washington this morning. I actually came down here to scout a location for an upcoming shoot, and it was foggy, and it's January at 9 o'clock in the morning, so there's nobody around. Thought I'd go ahead and scout it out on my OneWheel. Kind of for your entertainment, my entertainment, and also we get to look at more of the town. So there's the ferry dock. Local businesses, Don's Pharmacy, that's a famous landmark for forever in Port Townsend. Here's a brand new Asian restaurant. Now let's get heading on down Water Street. This is the historic part of town. Really cool architecture, beautiful buildings. Most of the time, this area is so full of people. But at 9 o'clock on a Saturday morning in January, not so much. I suspect most of the townies were out last night clubbing pretty hard. They'll be up around noon. A lot of really cool shops, great architecture, and tons of restaurants, great ones. If you're hungry, this is a good area to go. Speaking of hungry, there's Waterfront Pizza. That place always smells so good. Finish up with Quench here, the flagship landing. And that's my quick tour of Water Street in Port Townsend. End up here at the Northwest Maritime Center. Great dock, great beach, wonderful walking area down here. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching.